In this video, we're diving into how to create a Wix services site with Wix bookings and a high converting contact flow. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunziker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build your first website and turn visitors into clients. If you're a service provider, whether you offer consulting, coaching, haircuts, or repair services, having a professional website with easy online booking is essential. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up your services, customize your booking experience, automate communications, and build a contact page that encourages people to reach out. Make booking effortless for your clients. Have you ever lost a potential client because scheduling was just a hassle? Maybe someone visited your website, but they had to call or email to book an appointment, and they never followed through. With Wix Bookings, you can change that. It allows clients to see your availability, choose a time that works for them, and confirm their appointment on the spot. When paired with a streamlined contact flow, your site becomes a 24/7 sales assistant. Let's start by planning your service offerings. Before we dive into the platform itself, think about the services that you offer and how you want to present them. List each service, its duration, price, and any variations. If you offer multiple types of services, say a 1-hour consultation, a 2-hour deep dive, and a monthly coaching package, determine whether they require different booking forms or calendar slots. Categorizing your services makes it easier for clients to find what they need and for you to manage your schedule. You can always adjust these details later, but having a clear understanding from the start prevents confusion when you build your service list. Also, consider your availability. Do you operate Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.? Do you offer weekend appointments? Knowing your schedule will help you configure your booking settings accurately. If you work with a team, decide who handles which services and whether clients can book specific staff members. Some services may require approval before confirmation, while others can be booked instantly. Setting up your Wix account and choosing a template. Now, if you don't already have a Wix account, just click the link down below in the description to get started. Wix has a completely free option. Now, you're not going to get all the features with that plan, but you can get started with Wix completely for free. So after you go ahead and get signed up by using the link down in the description, this is what your Wix dashboard will look like. From here, what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and click on Edit Site right here. This will bring us into the editor where we can make all the changes that we need, including adding a booking system. Okay, so this is just a basic website that I use for different tutorials like this. So let's go ahead and make sure we get to the right page or just create a new page entirely. So up here on the top left, we'll go ahead and click on this. We're gonna go ahead and click Switch Page, and we'll go ahead and click on My Bookings. Building your service list with Wix Bookings. Now it's time to add Wix Bookings. Okay, so over here on the left-hand side, we're gonna go ahead and click on Apps, and we'll go to Manage Apps. And here you can see we have the Wix Bookings installed. Now, if you don't already have that, you can go ahead and click on the Get More Apps, and this will bring you to the Marketplace. All you need to do is right here, type in Bookings, and you'll see right there, Wix Bookings. Go ahead and click on that. And right here, you go ahead and click on Installed. But I already have it installed, so I'm just gonna click on Open, and that'll bring us right back here. So this is where you can go ahead and add new services. So as you can see, I already have this installed, and this is for a example website for a personal trainer. So they have personal training on here. Now, maybe we wanted to add something like a nutrition consultation. We go ahead and click on Add a New Service. And here, because of what I have selected, it is gonna go ahead and give some different options here. So again, we have appointment, class, and course. So this will be an appointment. I'm just gonna go ahead and start from scratch. We'll go ahead and select that. And again, we don't wanna call this service number 2, so we'll go ahead and call this nutrition consultation. Now, what's cool about Wix is that you can also use AI to go ahead and generate a description. So let's go ahead and click right there, and we'll call a 1-hour appointment where we will talk about your current eating habits, your goals, and come up with a game plan to reach those goals. All right, something like that. And we'll go ahead and click Create Text. We'll go ahead and let the AI do its thing. Okay, at My Site 1, that's the name of my website. Obviously, when you put in your correct website, it'll be called something else. We offer a comprehensive 1-hour consultation to discuss your current eating habits and fitness goals. Together, we'll develop a personalized nutrition protocol designed to help you achieve optimal results and sustain a healthy lifestyle. Invest in your wellness journey with our expert guidance and actionable strategies tailored just for you. Pretty good if you ask me. Customizing the booking experience. So the booking form is really the heart of the scheduling process. So go ahead and click on use text, and I'll go ahead and put that in here right now. And this is where you can go ahead and add the duration. This is 1 hour. Buffer time, we'll go ahead and give it 15 minutes. So that way you're not scrambling in between clients. You scroll down here, we can choose how clients can pay for this service. So they can pay per session with a plan, or per session or with a plan. This makes more sense for the per session, so we'll go ahead and leave it at that. Maybe this is $150, so go ahead and just leave that there. Payment preferences, here you can go ahead and choose either an entire amount online, entire amount in person, or either one, or online deposit and the rest in person. We'll just do this all online and leave it like that. And again, if you do this in a physical location, you go ahead and add that location here. Or if this is a virtual service, you can go ahead and add the video conferencing details here. And you can go ahead and select staff member here as well. Here you can go ahead and add any images as well. And here are some different booking forms. So let's go ahead and click save. And that's how easy it is to go ahead and create a new service. Now, obviously you want to add the photos and all that stuff, but that's how easy it is to go ahead and create a service on Wix. So you can group related services into categories. Categories appear as tabs or filters on your services page, making it easy for visitors to navigate. Automating workflows with Wix Bookings. So beyond confirmations and reminders, Wix offers automations that allow you to trigger actions based on client behavior. So to get to the automations tab, just scroll down over on the left-hand bar over here, and we'll go ahead and go to automations. To create a new automation, you can go ahead and click right here, or they have some suggested for you. So we go ahead and click create automation, and let's go ahead and maybe type in session. So for example, we could send instructions before a session, thank clients that attend a session, get feedback after a session, thank clients that attend 5 sessions, and so on. So as you can see, let's go ahead and thank a client. So we'll go ahead and set that up. And here we go ahead, and the trigger is client checks in, and then it'll wait 2 hours, and then it'll send an email. So we'll go ahead and click on this email here, and this is where we go ahead and edit that actual email. So again, this just really maintains that professionalism without more work for you. Designing a high converting contact flow. A high converting contact flow begins with a clear and inviting contact page. So use a friendly headline such as "Get in touch" or "We'd love to hear from you." Briefly explains what happens when someone contacts you. Let them know you'll respond within a certain time frame, and encourage them to share as much detail as they feel comfortable with. The contact form itself should be short and simple. Collect only what you need, usually a name, email address, and a message box. If you need more context, you can add a phone number field or a drop down asking what they're interested in. Keep the form in a single column and ensure it works well on mobile devices. Use clear labels and placeholder text to guide users. Include a strong call to action on the submit button, like send message or request more info. After submission, redirect users to a thank you page or display an inline confirmation message. This reassures them that their message was in fact received. To improve your conversions, consider adding social proof near your contact form. Testimonials, client logos, or a short statement about your response time can really build trust. You can also list alternative contact methods, such as a phone number or a live chat link. For accessibility, ensure that your form fields have appropriate labels and that error message are specific. For example, if someone forgets to enter their email address, display something like "Please enter a valid email address," rather than a generic error. Finally, test the form regularly to confirm that submissions are actually reaching your inbox. So creating a Wix services site with Wix Bookings and an effective contact flow is a powerful way to showcase your services, build credibility, and make it easy for clients to schedule appointments. By planning your offerings, choosing a suitable template, and setting up a detailed service list, you provide visitors with clarity. Customizing the booking experience through form fields, availability confirmations, and reminders ensures smooth scheduling. Automations reduce manual work and strengthen client relationships. A well-designed contact page opens the door for inquiries beyond standard bookings. So if you want to get started with Wix, we've got that link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we make videos on how to create websites, explore different website builders, discuss domain names, and so much more. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.